Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and removing the SIM tray so nothing powers the board. This prevents shorting. Next, place the phone on an ESD mat and remove the two bottom pentalobe screws. Once done, use a suction cup and pick to lift the screen gently, don't yank. You'll see the display cables protected by a metal brace. Make sure to unscrew those small tri-point screws in sequence and set parts aside in labeled trays. With the screen open, disconnect the battery immediately to isolate circuits. Then remove the display bracket covering the front sensor and speaker assembly. Keep screws grouped by size. Carefully detach the front camera and microphone flex cable. The Truedepth sensors are under adhesive and tiny connectors. Use a spudger to lift connectors straight up to avoid bending pins. If adhesive resists, warm the area with a low heat source to soften glue. Then peel slowly so ribbon cables stay intact. Fit the replacement Truedepth module and align each flex connector. Press flat and secure the metal brace. Reconnect the battery last before sealing the display to ensure no accidental shorts. Reseat the screen and torque the pentalobe screws snugly. Power on and run the Face ID enrollment to confirm function. If Face ID fails, power down, reopen, and inspect connectors for debris or misalignment. Clean with isopropyl and reseat. If still failing, check software update and consider a professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.